Yo. These big man things on deck.
Job Nation.
Welcome to my channel. It's Collegiate right here. Today I'll be showing you a trick to use just 0.07 to make a 1 hour call and then get 100 megabyte data out of that same 0.07 megabyte 0.07 pesos. Okay, so without wasting my time, let's go straight to my dial pad. Okay, so you dial star 567, which is the mashup code. So you send it. Choose option 1, mashup for self. Okay, then you choose mashup 1 cedi, which is option 1. Okay, then you choose option 2, enter amount. Yeah, option 2, then you type 0.07 as the amount. Okay, so for now you have to choose a preferred option. You have to select a preferred option. So I would advise you to choose option 1. Okay, for option 1 you're going to get 2 minutes and it could be used for 2 hours call. Okay, so I will pay with my mobile money. You can pay with your Airtime. I approve it. So payment of 0.07 has been made successfully. Okay, so we are done with our first trick, and our first trick was we went to purchase a mashup of 1.8 minutes, which is 2 minutes. Yeah, we are going to take it as 2 minutes. So we are done purchasing our 2 minutes. So our second trick is to dial star 315 star 1 hash, dial to activate MTN Commodore. With MTN Commodore you can make a call for an hour for just paying for the first minute. And here we've done paying for the first minute with the mashup. So we are going to activate our Commodore and then start making our long calls. So we are done activating our MTN Commodore. So now you can start making your call. And with MTN Commodore, when you make your first call, you get 50 megabytes for the first call. After activating the MTN Commodore, you get 50 megabytes each day. Okay, for the first call on MTN Commodore, you get 50 megabytes. And with the mashup, when we purchased, we had 50 megabytes over there, which is going to be used for WhatsApp. And now we are going to get another 50 megabytes from MTN Commodore. So with this 0.07 rather, now we have 100 megabytes of data bundle, and now we have a call time of 2 hours. I guess this is amazing and you love it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and I'm gonna get more tricks